Hello, Jim Howard here in Fort Worth, Texas. Today's date is September 28th of 2022. Uh, I've got a Creative Sound Blaster card coming, X4, and let's see, you can see it here on the screen. Well, you can see it's not here yet. It's coming today. Um, Now, I'm not even sure what this is. This Sound Blaster X card. I've used it in the past. It's worked for me, but I don't think I fully understood it. Maybe that's got something to do with the problem with me having real bad hearing. Maybe I haven't. Maybe I kind of ignored audio type stuff in depth, So I've had that. I've had over the years, of course, a whole bunch of Sound Blaster cards, that went into desktop computers, PC slots, and things like that. I've had those. Things like that. So this one, it has worked for me. And then there's been, I don't know, times when it really didn't work for me the way that I thought it should. Let's see which camera this is here. Let me just pick this up. I got this sound card device the other day, yesterday I think, and I played with it over here on my Beeline PC device computer, and it didn't do what I wanted it to do. So anyway, I moved it over here onto my Chromebox and the HP Chromebox. And I'm just doing just audio, audio out or whatever. And that's fine. That's working fine. I think it was $29 for that. But I'm looking forward to this Creative Sound Blaster X4 card. I think it's going to work out well for me. I'll find out sometime today. For a long time, I really didn't, I was just using the audio stuff that came with a computer, with my old PC and stuff like that. And then the reason that I got this Beeline mini computer, and it came with the audio broken. On the audio jack, there was static, and I ordered it, and when I got it in, immediately I noticed it. Then I noticed I did a search, and people who were getting this model, that was a problem. And of course, I tried several different things to fix it. And so then I had to go with the idea of a sound card, and so I tried this, and I think a few other things. So what I should have done is, but I was so happy to get this. I upgraded it with memory myself, and everything. So I was so happy to get it. and I didn't want to send it back. So so then I've been messing with that. There was a bunch of messing going on. Trying to fix it, trying to do workarounds and stuff like that. And so I decided to go with this new one. Oh, by the way, this one that I just showed you that I ordered, it came in yesterday or whatever. I noticed that I had purchased it before, one of those before, and then I remembered it. Wasn't excited about it, but what I'm doing with it right now is perfect. It's perfect for this situation over here. That's taken care of. Anyway, not sure what time that's coming today. Let's see here. Oops, okay, you can't see that. Okay, there you can. There it is. Sound Blaster X4. It'll be interesting to see how I decide to use it. I think I mentioned in a video, I think yesterday, that, okay, where's that laying around here? Quite a few of my videos for quite a while were made with a headset on. Whoops, I'm making motions. Was made with a headset on. I was perfectly happy with the headset type of a situation that I came up with. But I'm using the Elgato Wave 3 microphone here. And I think I mentioned in a video yesterday, unless I deleted that video, that this one throws, when I go to the list of audio that's available with this Elgato, I get a whole bunch of, a whole bunch of ones that are listed. And it's just kind of a pain in the butt. I kind of want it simpler. But got a feeling if I plug this into the way it is, I think I'll have the same thing show up on videos, on the audio that's available. So we'll see. Anyway, I like the looks of this, this one, and it looks to me like there's a lot of capabilities that I'll have, but I am not really good with. I'm running, by the way, Windows 11 on my mini PC, and then this computer over here that I'm touching is my Chromebox. I also have a tablet. I have more than one tablet. I have a Samsung tablet, and it is, let's see, what is it? What's it running? Is that Android? Can't remember. I've also got an old Apple laptop that you may remember. I traded a guy a camera for an old Apple laptop. And I really haven't, I haven't taken the time to mess with it. So it's sitting over there. By the way, this that I've ordered is a Sound Blaster X4. Okay, I was going to say, okay, oops, you can't see that, okay. Let me go back up here, by the way. I think I was scrolling and not sure that I had it on the screen for you all. The Sound Blaster X3 is almost like the Sound Blaster X4. And a lot of YouTube reviewers, in fact, all of them I think are saying, if you have the Sound Blaster X3, no reason to upgrade. And if you want to save $10 or something, just get the Sound Blaster X3. Discrete Virtual 7.1. I just have some Logitech, I think it is. Very cheap speakers. And it's just two speakers, right and left, So, not going to worry about 7.1 or 5.1 or anything else, I don't think. I have some optical in and out cables and things, and even some hardware. I have never done optical anything on sound, in or out or anything. Since what's coming has so many, abilities or whatever, I may hook up my headset, and I'm not sure. I'll just have to, I'll listen to the audio also and see. Oops. Anyway, that is it. So I hope that you're going to have some improved audio. That'd be kind of nice. When I started, wow. So many changes, so many improvements. I'm thinking not just about audio, but, video also. In fact, I think I finally deleted it, and I started with YouTube in 2005 when they started. That's the year they started, 2005. And I started with them then. And the quality of the video back then was not very well from these, these cameras. And I don't think anybody, there for a while, there was a video when one of these, I forget which company it was, when they, one of these webcam companies, when they're, I think it might have been one of the early Logitechs, I'm not sure, it might have been one of the others that came around, and it would zoom in. You could turn it on so that it would, like follow you or zoom in. And I was making a video, I think that might have been the video that I made talking about the assassination of John F. Kennedy, I'm not sure. And the camera was zooming in on my crotch. I actually saw it, but and a couple people after that, why are you zooming in on your crotch, But of course it was the camera doing it. And also the quality of the video was not good. I've deleted a couple old-timey, I call 2005 old-timey. Actually, it's not. Old-timey was America Online and CompuServe and Howard's Notebook, my bulletin board system, back in 1982. But anyway, it would be nice to have this audio work okay for me, because right now, for a while, it's been, I'm always wondering, how is the audio going to be? You know, generally it's okay, but the most recent thing has been sometimes it's out of sync, and that, you know, that bothers me. I think it probably bothers everybody for some reason. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, and I'm sure there'll probably be an update today on, because I want to make a video with hopefully improved audio, and we'll see what happens. Thank you very much for watching.